Hey guys, Hideaki here, back with another drawing tools review video, and this time I'm going to try for the first time acrylic paint on wooden slices. This should be fun or should be horrible depending on the outcome. So yeah, let's see what we're going to do. Got a set of 60 acrylic paints from Arteza, and also the wood slices are also from Arteza. So we are going to see what we are going to create with this here tools. So yeah, I'll let you enjoy the video, the painting parts, and you also have the links in the description, and have fun watching. So, finished with my 3 wooden slices, galaxy paintings stuff. I don't know what to call them, but I'm going to call them galaxy paintings because that's what I saw at other people who did this kind of paintings. So yeah, overall I'm pretty happy with the result, this being my first time doing this, and I don't have other acrylic paint to compare these ones with because this is, like I said, this is the first time I tried it. But yeah, I enjoyed the process, I love the outcome. The only thing that I noticed is that they dry pretty fast, and I don't know if that's how acrylic paint usually performs, or is it because the wooden slices are very dry and they suck up the water from the pigment. But yeah, just wanted to let you know that. So yeah, let me tell you a little bit about the acrylic paint set and the wooden slices. The acrylic premium artist paint set has 60 colors, highly pigmented shades. I liked how the colors really pop. It has a very thick and smooth consistency that is perfect for creating textures. You can paint on canvases, wood, glass, rocks, paper, people. I don't know if it's toxic for the skin or something, but you know, you can paint on pretty much any surface. Oh, it's also non-toxic. I just read the box, so yeah, it's non-toxic, so you can paint on people all day long. And you also have 45 natural pine wood slices, and those are ideal for any do-it-yourself and craft project, so it doesn't always have to be painting. It has a smooth and sanded surface, and it's very easy to paint on them. But like I said, I don't know why it dried so fast, if it's from the wood or from the paint itself, or maybe it was too hot in my room because I did this so the fire was going, so maybe that was the problem. So yeah, this is pretty much it, not much to say. Like I said, over 5 times now. Really enjoyed it. Hopefully I can do more. I really want to try on paper next, but I have to figure out what I'm going to draw. So yeah, like I said, you have the links to the products in the description. If you enjoyed the video, give a like, share and comment. You subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Check out my shop, you have the link in the description. Check out my other links you have down there, other videos. And so yeah, thank you for watching and listening to me babbling on. And yes, see you in the next video. Oh, wow. That's a really bad way to end the video.